हेलो एवरीवन ओम सर कोचिंग को तुम मानक स्वागत। आज आम दशम श्रेणी इंग्लीश बहिर द विलेज सॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर को आलोचना करवा। ताहले आमे प्रथमे आरंभ करवा लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द पोएम रु। ताहले एथिरे प्रथम प्रश्न देछि द पोएम एपियर्स टू बी द कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन टू पर्सन्स हु आर दे। आंसर हेबो द कन्वर्सेशन इज बिटवीन ए मदर एंड ए डॉटर। सेकंड क्वेश्चन व्हेयर डज द हनी चाइल्ड गो। आंसर हेबो हनी चाइल्ड वांट्स टू गो टू द वाइल्ड फॉरेस्ट। थर्ड क्वेश्चन देछि व्हाई शुड सी लीव द मदर एंड ग्रीव द लवर। आंसर हेबो द गर्ल वांट्स टू गो टू द वाइल्ड फॉरेस्ट बिकॉज शी इज अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स इट। शी फाइंड्स लाइफ इन द वाइल्ड फॉरेस्ट फार मोर इंटरेस्टिंग देन गेटिंग मैरिड। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन देछि हाउ डज द चाइल्ड डिस्क्राइब द वाइल्ड फॉरेस्ट। आंसर हेबो द चाइल्ड इज वेरी मच अट्रैक्टेड by the wild forest. She describes that it has champa and its birds are blowing. There are birds that chirp and there is lotus that is shining. There are fairy folks who are singing and attracting her. Fifth question देछि what does the expression the world full of pleasure mean. Answer हेबो the world full of pleasure means that the life after marriage will be beautiful for the girl. She will have all the materialistic pleasures which she wants. Sixth question देछि what is common about bridal songs and cradle songs. Answer हेबो both the bridal songs and cradle songs describes the heavenly pleasures of life. It is described as sandal scented life, which means life which is beautiful and has pleasures. Seventh question देछि how does the poet describe happiness and sorrow. Answer हेबो the laughter of the sun today, the wind of death tomorrow. This line is used in the poem to show happiness and sorrow. This line implies that nothing is permanent in life. Today's happiness may not be the same next day. 8 number question how does the poet compare forest notes with bridal songs and cradle songs. Answer हेबो the poet feels that there is rise and fall of sorrowness in the bridal and cradle songs. There is no permanent state in both the songs, whereas she feels that forest notes are more sweeter and have deep impact on the minds. एबे आमे सेकेंड सेक्शन लेट्स अप्रिशिएट द पोएम रो किछि क्वेश्चन आंसर को आलोचना करिवा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देछि द फर्स्ट 4 लाइन्स ऑफ द पोएम पोज 4 क्वेश्चंस. व्हाट डज द मदर वांट टू टेल हर डॉटर. आंसर हेबो द मदर आस्क हर डॉटर वेयर शी वाज गोइंग. She asked her whether she is going to cast her beautiful jewelry and go away. She then asked her whether she is going to leave her mother all alone, who took so much effort to raise her. Finally, she asked her if she really want to cry her husband to be and leave. In these 4 questions, the mother is persuading daughter to stay and get married. She, just like any mother, wants her daughter to be happy and settled. Second question देछि does the mother's appeal have any effect on the girl. What does the girl find irresistible. Answer हेबो the girl is least affected by the mother's appeal. She is completely taken away by the charm of wild forest and its beautiful things. She finds beauty in the lotus that shines brightly, the coil that chirps. She finds charm in the champa birds that blows. Third question देछि how are the worldly pleasures compared with the pleasures of the fairyland. Answer हेबो worldly pleasures have no permanency. Today's pleasure is replaced with tomorrow's sorrow. On the other hand, fairyland is far more beautiful and has everything filled with certain beauty. Worldly pleasures have end at some point, but fairyland's pleasure has no end. एबे आमे ता पर सेक्शन लेट्स डू सम एक्टिविटीज रो क्वेश्चन आंसर को देखिबा। ताहले एठारे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देछि how many times does the word would occur in the poem. Answer हेबो the word would occurs 3 times in the poem. Second question देछि how many questions are asked in the poem. Who, the mother or the daughter, asked the questions. Answer हेबो 5 questions are asked in the poem. The mother asked the question to her daughter. Third question देछि the adjectives bridal is used in the following expressions. Bridal songs, bridal robes and bridal cakes. Can you use the adjective in any other expression. Answer हेबो bridal clothes, bridal jewelry, bridal makeup etc. 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन देछि In line 3 and line 4 of the first stanza, the word who is used to qualify the nouns mother and lover. Use the word to qualify other nouns in the sentence of your own. Answer ହେବ କ'ଣ? My best friend is the best singer in our class who is also a great dancer. Fifth question ଦେଇଛି rearrange the following phrases in the sequence in which they occur in the poem. Answer ହେବ answer first ଆସିବ the champa birds are blowing, second ଆସିବ coil hunted river isles, ତାପରେ lotus lilies glisten, ତାପରେ bridal robes are in the loom, ତାପରେ ହେବ bridal cakes are on the hearth. 6 number question ଦେଇଛି mark the rhyming words in each stanza, find out the rhyming words ending in ing form, discuss with your friends how many are common and what effect they have on you when you read the poem alone. ତାହେଲେ ଆମର ରାଇମିଂ ୱାର୍ଡ଼ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ହେବ ଗୋଇଂ ବ୍ଲୋଇଂ, ଗ୍ଲୋଇଂ ଗୋଇଂ, ଫଲିଂ କଲିଂ. ଏବେ ଆମେ ଲେଟ୍ସ ରାଇଟ୍ ସେକ୍ସନର କିଛି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍କୁ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା. ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଦେଇଛି ହାଉ ଡଜ୍ ଦ ମଦର ଡିସୁଏଡ୍ ଦ ଗର୍ଲ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଗୋଇଂ ଟୁ ଦ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ. ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହେବ ଦ ମଦର ପରସୁଏଡ୍ସ ଦ ଗର୍ଲ ନଟ୍ ଟୁ ଗୋ ଟୁ ଦ ୱାଇଲ୍ଡ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାରି. She wants her daughter to settle down and enjoy the worldly pleasures of life. The mother tells her daughter about the positive things of a married life. She tells her that there is much pleasure in married life and there are songs of pleasure. Bridal songs and the cradle songs are the most beautiful songs in a woman's life. She finds pleasure in such things. She reminds the daughter of her responsibility towards her husband to be. Second question ଦେଇଛି why does the girl want to go there? Answer ହେବ the girl is attracted by the wild forest and beauty of the forest. She is attracted by the champa birds, shining lotus, coil singing. She is attracted by the fairy folk. She feels that the worldly pleasure does not last forever. Today's happiness is taken by tomorrow's sorrow. There is nothing permanent in the worldly pleasure. The girl feels that the forest notes are much sweeter than the songs of bridal and cradle. There is sweet tune and beauty in the world of forest. Third question ଦେଇଛି given below is a table. Write in the table the words or expressions from the poem that you think appropriate in each column. ତାହେଲେ ଏଠାରେ ମୁଁ ଆନ୍ସର୍ରେ ତୁମମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଉତ୍ତର ଲେଖିଦେଇଛି. worldly pleasuresରେ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ସବୁ ଆସିବ of bridal songs and cradle songs and sandal scented leisure. ସେକେଣ୍ଡରେ ଆସିବ your bridal robes are in the loom, silver and saffron glowing. ଥାର୍ଡ଼ରେ ଆସିବ your bridal cakes are on the hearth. ତାପରେ pleasure in natureରେ ଆସିବେ the champa boughs the champa birds are blowing, to the coil hunted river isles where the lotus lilies glisten, the voices of the fairy folk, far sweeter sounds the forest notes where forest streams are falling. Fourth question ଦେଇଛି now prepare a note on the atmosphere of fairyland as described in the poem. Answer ହେବ there is a vivid description of the atmosphere of fairyland. There are champa birds which are blowing. There is coil birds which sings beautifully. The lotus is shining brightly. There are fairy folks who are singing folk songs and calling the poet. The falling of the streams appear beautiful and creates a beautiful music that appeals to the ears. It is more beautiful than the bridal songs and cradle songs. ତାହେଲେ ଏ ଥିଲା ଆଜିର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଉତ୍ତର ଭିଡ଼ିଓ. ଯଦି ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଥାଏ ଭିଡ଼ିଓକୁ ଲାଇକ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ଏମିତି ସବୁ ବିଷୟର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଉତ୍ତର ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଓମ୍ ସାର୍ କୋଚିଂ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ.